Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the screen flickering on your Motorola Moto G31. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings. Here in the settings, we want to scroll a bit down until we see the display. Now here, what we want to do is we want to change the brightness level. So make sure to adjust it up for yourself and then make sure to disable the adaptive brightness in the settings. Next, what you guys want to do is download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. So go right here, let me quickly skip it. And now after that, what you guys can do is go to search. Here, search for the screen dimmer OLED saver, and here we will have the first app. It has 100,000 plus downloads. Let's click on install, and it should install in less than 5 seconds because it's only 2 megabytes. It only changes your brightness. So go over and open the app. Here, let's grant the permission to modify the system settings to change and control the brightness. Now here we want to give the access to the accessibility settings, basically because whenever we open up a keyboard or rotate our screen, it has to also change the brightness. So let's click on allow, and after that let's just enable the service. So as you guys can see here, we can manage it, and if we don't like the way the app works, then just click on disable service. So basically enable service, but we're going to disable it. And now you guys can simply uninstall it from your device, just right here. So now, if the app did not help you, then go over to the settings, and as a last resort, check for the software updates. So here in the settings, we need to scroll a bit down until we see the system updates, and here we need to click on check for updates. As you guys can see, everything looks good for me. But if you do not get the same message like me and you have some updates available, then make sure you do them. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.